All right, so in this video, it's going to be pretty quick. I'm just going to show you how to graph with Desmos, which is a website that is linked above the video or below the video, depending on where you are. And it's really, really easy. So all we're going to do is graph the functions from the previous page, which were these ones over here. So we're going to start by graphing 2x minus 4. So first things first, just click on the link in Desmos. And all you do is just type in that exact thing. Y equals 2x minus 4. You can type in the hyphen for the minus sign, and it should look exactly like this. And hopefully, that should look exactly like what we graphed. The graph on the left and the graph right here should be basically the same. And they are. Look at the y-intercept where it crosses the y-axis. That's -4. Ours is at -4. The x-intercept where it crosses the x-axis is at +2. Right? These things right here, right? This is the y-intercept. This is the x-intercept. Over there, they match, and it's a line. That's great. So now let's plot the other one, 1/2 x squared minus 3. So for this one, you type it in, but it's going to be a little different, right? To do 1/2, you'll do 1 and then /. The / on your keyboard, usually to the left of shift. / is going to give you a fraction, but now we're stuck in the denominator. So you have to press tab to get out. So press tab to get out, 1/2 x. Shift 6 is going to bring you to, is the caret. And then you can square it here. And again, to get out of the exponent, you press tab again. And the last thing is the -3, which is more simple. And this hopefully looks similar to our graph here. Okay, so let's compare. So let's see, our y-intercept right here is at -3. Yep, y-intercept at -3. It's got the same shape. Some of the points we have, this point right here, right, is 2, -1. Is that on our graph? And the answer is yes. 2, -1 is right here. There we go. So it is indeed the same. Great. But one more thing that you need to know how to do, you need to know how to export a graph as a picture, because sometimes I'm going to have you graph things with the computer and you'll have to export it and attach it somewhere. You just go up here to this little share graph because you want to share it with all your friends, or maybe your professor who wants to grade it, who doesn't want to grade it but needs to grade it because you need a grade. Hit share graph, and you can either use a link, or what I'm going to want you to do is click export image. This will save it to your computer. And depending on where it goes, so you just click this. The default's probably fine most of the time, but I don't know. You can choose some different options depending on how you want it to look. And then you just hit download PNG. All right. And there you go. You can choose where to save it and everything. That's what's going on here. And that's how you export your graph. Again, it's this button up here, and that's this whole video.